Ever wondered how to use interface in C# effectively? An interface in C# is best described as a contract for classes to adhere to, facilitating a high degree of abstraction in your code. It defines properties, methods, and events which make up the members of the interface. Here's the catch. An interface only holds the declarations of these members, not their implementations. Intrigued by the power of interfaces in C#? Ready to dive deeper into how to use interfaces in C#? Stay tuned. So how do we actually implement an interface in C#? It's simpler than you might think. The first step is to create an interface, which we do by using the interface keyword. This is followed by the name of the interface. Now, within the interface, we define the members. These could be methods, properties, events, or indexes. Next, we move on to our class. Here's where we implement the interface. To do this, we use the colon operator after the class name, followed by the interface name. Now, within the class, we provide the implementation for each member of the interface. And here's the catch. All members of the interface must be implemented in the class. You can't choose to implement just a few, and just like that, you've implemented an interface in C#. It's not so daunting, right? Let's quickly recap the essential points about using interfaces in C#. An interface is a contract for a class guiding its functionality. We define interfaces using the interface keyword and implement them in a class using the implement keyword. Remember, interfaces are vital for achieving abstraction, allowing us to design adaptable and efficient code. So dive deep into interfaces, master the art of abstraction, and see your C# skills soar. Keep practicing with interfaces in C# and you'll become a pro in no time. Thanks for watching.